All right, so remember we talked about there's a skill in trying to figure out which variables to zero out, okay? And it is possible to zero out the x's, and it is also possible to zero out the y's. But because I have you in the framework of trying to help support you, the way I have it set up is since the x's are the same exact number, they just need different signs. We're going to stick with that strategy, meaning we are going to start with the top equation, and if we can make a negative x, that will make the elimination that we need. So that's our plan. If you go to the drop down, then it starts making sense. Your options, the most logical option is -1. So I'm expecting that you would go to your paper on your rubric, and you would start including that information. Then remember drag and drop your parentheses. Okay, then you're dragging and dropping this equation now. That's the original equation, so I would expect for you to be writing that down right here. Then as you type your new equation, I would do that on paper first, where you multiply, and we have a negative x. You could type a -1x. -1 times -y. You can type positive y. You could type positive 1y. Does not matter. -1 times -3 is positive 3. So that is what you would type here and do check my answer. Then you would make a big giant addition problem. Maybe you fill in a 1 right there on your paper. Then it's maybe a little bit easier to see. There's the zero out. You have 4y equals 4. And now you are going to continue your work to get your y. And then you are going to continue your work on your paper and here, just like we have the 3 previous slides.